Hi students, the remaining problems on electric current. Let us see a problem. Don't scared about this problem, which is very easy based on our concept. A current is established in a discharge tube of cross section 8 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. When a sufficiently high potential difference is applied across the two electrodes in the tube, the gas ionizes electrons move towards the positive terminal and positive ions towards the negative terminal. What are the magnitude and sense of the current in a hydrogen discharge tube in which 3 into 10 power 8 electrons and 2 into 10 power 18 protons move past the cross section area of the tube in each second. So let us see a discharge tube. This is a discharge tube. This is a discharge tube which is connected to a battery. A potential difference V is applied. This is positive terminal and negative terminal. We know this concept when protons are moving from left to right. N1 protons are moving from left to right. N2 electrons are moving from right to left. N2 electrons. Did you remember that concept? What is the formula? I is equal to Q by T. Here Q means quantization of charge, which is equal to NE by T. Here N means total number of particles, which is equals to N1 plus N2 into E by T. This is the formula. Write down the given data. Number of protons given N1 is equals to 2 into 10 power 18 protons. N2 3 into 10 power 18 electrons. How much time? Each second means T equals to 1 second. E means charge of an electron, which is equals to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. By substituting these values, we can get answer. Come on, substitute. By substituting these values, 2 plus 3, 5 into 10 power 18, charge of an electron, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 by 1, which is equals to 0.8 ampere. Write down. Next problem. The current through a wire connected to a condenser varies with time as I is equals to 2T plus 1. The charge transport to the condenser from T equals to 0 to T equals to 5 seconds is. That means T1 is equals to 0 second, T2 is equals to 5 seconds. Find the charge. What is the formula for charge? Q is equals to integral of T1 to T2 I dt. Substituting these values in this formula. Integral of 0 to 5, T1 means 0, T2 means 5 seconds. I means 2T plus 1 into dt. It can be written as integral of 0 to 5 2T into dt plus integral of 0 to 5 1 into dt means dt. So we know the formula. We know the formula. Integral of x power n dx. What is the formula for integral of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So it can be written as, here 2 as constant, 2. Integral of t dt can be written as t square by 2 between the limits 0 to 5. Integral of dt means t between the limits 0 to 5. So substituting upper limit minus lower limit. So it can be written as 2 into t square means 5 square means 25 by 2. Lower limit 0 plus upper limit 5, lower limit 0. So finally 2 cancel, 25 plus 5 which is equals to 30. Write down. Next problem. An electron of mass m moves around the nucleus in a circular orbit of radius r under the action of centripetal force F. The current is, see, a particle is revolving like this, radius r, its mass is m. What is the formula for centripetal force? Centripetal force. What is centripetal force? Centripetal, centrifugal. Two forces are there. What is the meaning of centripetal force? A force which acts towards the center is called centripetal force. A force which acts towards the center is called centripetal force. A force which acts away from the center is called centrifugal force. What is the formula for centripetal force? Formula is same for both centripetal and centrifugal. That is mv square by r. This is the formula for both centripetal and centrifugal force. So I want V, which is equals to, V is equals to Fr by m under root. So velocity V is equals to square root of Fr by m. Find the current. What is the formula for current? I is equals to Q by T. So which is equals to Q by T means time period. Its formula is 2 pi by omega. So Q omega by 2 pi. The relation between V and omega, V equals to R omega. Omega can be written as V by R. So omega can be written as V by R, which is equals to QV by 2 pi. We know that velocity V. Substituting this value here. So which is equals to Q by 2 pi. What is the value of V? Square root of Fr by m. Wait. Omega. What is the formula for omega? V by R. V by R. So Q by 2 pi R. V means square root of Fr by m. So it can be written as Q by 2 pi. Here R can be written as square root of R into square root of R. Root R into root R means R. So it can be written as square root of R into root of F by m. It will be cancelled. So its final answer is Q by 2 pi F by mr under root. Write down. Next problem. The electron of hydrogen atom is considered to be revolving around the proton in a circular orbit of radius r is equals to h cross by me square with velocity e square by h cross. Velocity e square by h cross, where h cross is equals to h by 2 pi. What is the value of h cross? H by 2 pi. Then the current is, what is the value of current? What is the value of h cross? H by 2 pi. Substituting 1 by m e square. H cross square means h square by 2 pi whole square means h square by 4 pi square. Okay. Next, v equals to e square by h cross, which is equals to e square by h cross means h by 2 pi. H by 2 pi means numerator. What is the value of current? What is the formula for current? Q is the I equals to Q by T. It can also be written as E by T. What is the formula for time period? It can be written as E V by 2 pi R. It can be written as E by 2 pi V by R. Okay, E by 2 pi into V by R. Substituting the values of V and R in this equation. So it can be written as E by 2 pi. What is the value of V? 2 pi E square by H. 2 pi E square by H. What is the value of R? R value h square by means 4 pi square m e square. Okay. Calculating 2 pi cancel. 2 pi cancel. So 4 pi square m into here see e square e square e. E square into e square e power 4 e power 1. Finally e power 5. Denominator HQ. This is the final answer. Almost all models are completed. Okay, write down. Almost all models are completed. Tomorrow we will see very interesting topic, drift velocity, relaxation time and its relation. What is the relation between drift velocity and electric current? Okay, please like and share. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.